Question number 6, part A. Solve 2x square minus 15x plus 18 less than 0. In part B, the function f is defined by f of x is equal to square root of 2x square minus 15x plus 18, where x belongs to R and x is less than or equal to k. Find the greatest value of k for which f inverse exists, justifying your answer. Now start with part A, in which we have given a quadratic equation 2x square minus 15x plus 18 is less than 0. Now, let's find the roots by factorization, or you may also find through quadratic equation. I use the method of factorization. 2x square minus 15x plus 18 is equal to 0. 2x square minus minus 3x plus 12x plus 18 is equal to 0. And taking x common, 2x minus 3 plus taking 6 common plus 2x. Oh, sorry. Minus, and here minus 2. And taking common minus, so the sign inside the bracket were inverted. Two x minus 3 and x minus 6 is equal to 0. Now we have two roots of x. X is equal to 3 by 2 and x is equal to 6. Now, as the function f of x is less than 0, so we have a parabola. It opens upward as the coefficient of x square is positive, so the parabola open upwards, and the function is negative between the roots. Here the root is 3 by 2 and here the root is 6. So our answer is 3 by 2 x 6. Now see part B. The function f is defined by f of x square root of 2x square minus 15x plus 18. Now it's part B, where the function f of x is equal to square root of 2x square minus 15x plus 18. In which x belongs to R and x is less than or equal to k, we have to find the greatest value of k. So from part A, we have the roots 3 by 2 and x. And we have the parabola opening upward. And the function is negative between the roots. So, and part B, it is given that for the inverse function to exist, the f of x must be one-to-one function. That is, it passes the horizontal line test. And horizontal line test is that any horizontal line intersect the graph at most 1. So, the function which is given in part B have square root, and it is the function is only defined for the values of x, for which x square minus 15 x plus 18 should be greater than equal to 2. So from part A, it is true for x less than equal to 3 by 2, or x is greater than equal to 6. Since the square root is always non-negative, it is f of x greater than equal to 0, the graph, we take the portion of the graph only in this portion, only the half portion, this. So, we take the top half of the parabola to make it one-to-one. So, we have to restrict the domains. So, the greatest value for k for which f inverse exists is k is equal to 3 by 2. This restricts the domain to x is less than equal to 3 by 2, making the function one-to-one. If we choose any larger value of k, the function will not be one-to-one. So, our answer is, for the greatest value of k is 3 by 2. This is our final answer.